Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do Algebra Fundamental Concepts, exercise 12b. Question 1 is fill in the blanks. First question is the sum of -2 and -5. So both these are integers, -2 and -5, and we add them up. When we say sum, we are talking about addition. So when signs are the same, we put the same sign and we add. So put the same sign. Now add up the numbers. 2 plus 5, it's 7. So what is our answer? -7. So the sum of -2 and -5 is -7. And the sum of -2x and -5x. Now these are like terms. What are like terms in algebra? Like terms are terms which have the same literal coefficient. That is, here we have x, here also we have x. So when they are like terms, we can add them up. So we can do -2x plus -5x, -2x plus -5x. So here what did we do? We did -2 plus -5. So we already have -2 and -5, and since they are like terms, we just have to add up we just have to write the x. So this will be -2 plus -5, and since they're like terms, we put x here. So what do we have here? -2 plus -5. And here we have the same thing. -2 plus -5, we got -7. So this will be -7 and we have the x. So what is our answer? -7x or minus 7x. So this is our answer. Question 2. The sum of 8 and -3. How much is that? So let's write that down. So take 8 plus -3. What is the answer? Now 8 does not have a sign. It's understood. If it doesn't have a sign, that is the plus sign. So plus 8 plus -3. That is +8 plus -3. Signs are different. Can you see? One is a positive sign, one is a negative sign. When signs are different, we put the sign of the bigger number. The bigger number is 8. Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. So whenever signs are different, we have to subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is +5, or you can simply write 5. So this is our answer here. Now here they're saying, and the sum of 8ab and minus 3ab. Again, these are like terms because we have ab here and ab here. So they are like terms, so we can add. That means we say 8ab plus -3ab. This is what we are asked to find, the sum. So this plus this. Now this is a positive number. So since they are like terms, we can add them up. So this is +8 plus -3. And since they're like terms, we write AB. Now here, this is +8 plus -3, which we have here, +8 plus -3, and we got the answer as +5, and we just have to write AB. So what is our answer? 5AB. So we can write that here, 5AB. So this is our answer, 5AB. Question 3. The sum of -15 and -4. So let's find the sum of those two negative numbers. -15 plus -4. So again here, apply the rules of integers. Signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add. So whenever signs are the same, you add. So 15 plus 4 is 19. So this is -19. So we have our answer, -19. And the sum of -15x and -4y. So here can you see this is 15x and this is 4y. The literals are different. That means they are unlike terms and we cannot add unlike terms. So here it is -15x and to this we add -4y. Now these are unlike terms, so we cannot add them up. So our answer will simply be -15x -4y. So when you have a plus sign before a bracket, you can write the same integer as it is. So this will be -4y, and this is our answer. Let's write it here. -15x, -4y. y. Question 4. Here we have three numbers, 15 plus 8 plus 3. So let's add that up. So all we have to do is simply add 15 plus 8 is 23. 23 plus 8 is plus 3 is 26. So here we have 26. Now let's go to the next part. And the sum of 15x plus 8y plus 3x. Now here look out for the like terms. Now here we have two like terms, 15x plus 3x. Now those two we can add. We cannot add it to 8y because 8y is not the same as 3x and 15x. It's an unlike term because it has the literal y, whereas these two numbers have the literal x. So let's add up 15x and 3x. So 15x plus 3x, how do we add that? 15x plus 3x. Since they're like terms, we can add up the numbers 15 plus 3 and put x. So this is equal to 15 plus 3 is 18. So that is 18x. So we have finished adding the x terms, so that is 18x. Now what is left is plus 8y, which we can write along with this, plus 8y. So here what do we have? We have 18x plus 8y, which we cannot add together because they are unlike terms. So this will be our final answer. Question 5. 12 minus 9 plus 15. So here what do we have? We have 12 minus 9 plus 15. So here what we're going to do is we're going to first do addition and then the subtraction. So when we do addition, add the numbers that have the plus sign. So 12 has a plus sign, 15 has a plus sign. Add it up. 12 plus 15. Let's add it up. 12 plus 15. We get 7 to 27. Now we say 27 minus 9. So here this is 27 minus 9, which we can do directly. 27 minus 9. Now here we need to borrow. So 17 minus 9 is 8 and we have 1. So we have 18. So our answer here is 18. Here the sum of 12ab minus 9ab plus 15ba. Now BA is the same as AB. Even if the letters are interchanged, the order is different. Still we have 1A and 1B here, 1A and 1B here, 1A and 1B here. So we can consider all three to be like terms. So this will be 12AB, that is 12 minus 9 plus 15, and all this is AB. And here what do we have? 12 minus 9 plus 15. We have the same here. What did we get our answer as? 18. So this is equal to 18 and we write AB as it is. So what is our answer? 18 AB. This is our final answer. Question 6, here we have 25 minus 7 minus 9. So now let's work on this. So 25 minus 7 minus 9. These are two negative numbers, isn't it? Negative 7, negative 9. Now we can add up these two. So that will be, signs are the same. So we put the same sign and we add 7 plus 9 is 16. So 25 minus 16. How much is 25 minus 16? It is 9. So this is our answer here, 9. Now let's look at the second part. Here we have to find the sum of 25xy minus 7xy minus 9yx. So like we had here, BA is the same as AB. Here also yx is the same as xy. That means all three have xy and they are like terms. So now we can add it up because they are like terms. 25 minus 7 minus 9xy. And here also we have 25 minus 7 minus 9, just as this. And the answer we got here is 9. So here also we can write 9 and xy. So what is the final answer? 9xy. This is our final answer. Question 2. Add. Add 8xy and 3xy. Since they are like terms, we can add them. So first we'll take only the numbers. 8 plus 3, put them in brackets, xy. So that will be 8 plus 3 is 11 xy. So that is our answer, 11xy. Question 2. 2xyz, xyz and 6xyz. Now they're all like terms, so we can add them together. Now here let's put 1. So this is going to be 1. Again, let's add only the numbers. 2 plus 1 plus 6 xyz. Okay, now let's add the numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9, so that is 9xyz. Question 3. We have 2a, 3a and 4b. As you can see, 2a and 3a are like terms and 4b, that's b, so that's an unlike term. We cannot add unlike terms. So first let's add the like terms. So 2 plus 3a and 4b, so that is plus 4b. So 2 plus 3 is 5a plus 4b. So that is my answer, 5a plus 4b. I cannot add these two together, 5a and 4b, because they are unlike terms. Question 4. 3x and 2y. As you can see, they're unlike terms. I cannot add them. So my answer will simply be 3x plus 2y. Question 5. Here we have 5m, 3n and 4p. They're all unlike terms. I cannot add them. So my answer is 5m plus 3n plus 4p. That's my answer. Question 6. 6a, 3a and 9ab. So 6a and 3a are like terms. So let's add those two together. So numbers alone, 6 plus 3a and plus 9ab. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9a plus 9ab. I cannot add these two together because they are unlike terms. Question 7. 3p, 4q and 9q. So I can only add the like terms, that is 4q and 9q. So I will write 3p as it is, then plus, let me add the numbers separately, 4 plus 9q. So what do I get? 3p plus 4 plus 9 is 13, 13q. So this is my answer. Eighth one, 5ab, 4ba. It's the same as ab because we have 1a and 1b. So these two are like terms and 6b is unlike. So let's add the like terms. Take only the numbers. 5 plus 4ab plus 6b. So that becomes 9ab plus 6b. So this is my final answer. Next question, 50pq, 30pq and 10pr. So we can add the like terms. These two are like terms. So 50 plus 30pq plus 10pr. So let's add 50 plus 30 is 80pq plus 10pr. Next question. Minus 2y, minus y and minus 3y. They're all like terms. So here let me write 1. So that is minus 1y. Let's take only the numbers. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3y. Okay, now remember your integers. These are all minus signs. When signs are the same, we can put the same sign and we can add them all up. Okay, so the sign is minus. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So it is minus 6y. So that's my answer there, minus 6y. Let's go on to the 11th one. Minus 3b and minus b, both are like terms. I'll make this 1b. So now let's do it. Minus 3 minus 1b. So signs are the same. We can put the same sign and add them. 3 plus 1 is 4 minus 4b. Question 12. 5b minus 4b and minus 10b. Again, they're all like terms. We can put them all together. So let me give this a sign. Plus 5 minus 4 minus 10b. Okay. Now when signs are the same, we can put the same sign and add, isn't it? So let me take the two minus signs together, minus 4 and minus 10. So minus 4 minus 10, when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 10 plus 4 is 14. So I get minus 14. So here it will be plus 5 minus 14b. Again, here can you see the signs are different. One is plus 5 and the other is minus 14. So what is the rule when signs are different? Put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 14 minus 5 is 9. So that's minus 9. So here we have got our answer as minus 9b. Go on to the next one. Here we have all like terms, minus 2c, minus c and minus 5c. So let's take the numbers. Minus 2 minus c means minus 1 minus 5. They're all c. Now again, the rules are the same as the ones that we follow for integers. When signs are the same, as you can see, they're all minus signs. So signs are the same, put the same sign, minus, and add. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. Minus 8c. That is our answer. Moving on to the next question, evaluate. Here also we follow the same rules, and as you can see, they're all like terms here. We have plus 6a, minus 5a, minus 2a. So let's take only the numbers. So 6 is by itself. So let me put plus 6, then minus 1, minus 5, minus 2a. Okay. Now let's take the numbers with the same sign. Minus 1, minus 5, minus 2. Okay, that is minus 1, minus 5 and minus 2. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So that becomes minus 8. So we are still inside the brackets. So this is plus 6 minus 8a. Okay, so let's work out this. Plus 6 minus 8. Here the signs are different. One is plus, one is minus. So when signs are different, put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 8 minus 6 is 2. So we've got minus 2a. So our answer here is minus 2a. Moving on to the next one. We have 2b, minus 3b, minus b and plus 4b. They're all like terms. So let's take the numbers. Plus 2, minus 3, minus 1, plus 4. Okay, and b. Now here we have plus signs and minus signs. So let's take the plus signs together. That is plus 2 and plus 4. And then we'll put the minus signs together. Minus 3, minus 1, b. Now let's add this up. Plus 2 plus 4, when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 2 plus 4 is 6. Moving on to the next part, minus 3 and minus 1. Signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 3 plus 1 is 4. Minus 4b. Now here, signs are different. So put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2. So our answer is plus 2b or simply 2b. Next question. 3x minus 2x minus 4x and plus 7x. So again like terms. So let's do that. 3 minus 2 minus 4 plus 7x. Again, let's put a plus sign here. Let's add up the numbers that have a plus sign, that is plus 3 and plus 7. So let's put a plus sign. 3 plus 7 is 10. Now take the other two numbers. They have a minus sign. Both have a minus sign. So when signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 2 plus 4 is 6. Minus 6x. Here signs are different. So put the sign the bigger number and subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4 plus 4x. Question 4. Again, as you can see, they're all like terms. So let's take only the numbers. Plus 5 plus 2 minus 6 plus There is no number that's understood. It is 1AB. Now let's work out all the numbers with the plus sign. So plus 5, plus 2, plus 1. Let's add them all together. So when signs are the same, we put the same sign. So let's put first plus and add them up. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8 minus 6AB. When signs are different, as you can see, 1 is plus, 1 is minus, put the sign of the bigger number, that is plus and minus. 8 minus 6 is 2, 2AB. So the answer is plus 2 or just 2AB. Question 5. Here we have 8x and we have 5y, and again we have minus 3x and plus 10y. So here let's take the x separately. We'll group them separately. So that becomes 8x minus 3x, and plus we'll take y separately, minus 5y plus 10y. Okay, now let's work this out. So this is 8 minus 3x plus minus 5 plus 10y. 8, okay, 8 minus 3 is 5x, and when we move to the other side, signs are different, so put the sign of the bigger number and subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5, so that becomes 5y. So our final answer is 5x plus 5y. We cannot add these together because they are unlike terms. 5. Evaluate. So here also we follow the same rules. So let's take only the numbers minus 7, plus 9, plus 2, minus 2x. Now let's group the plus numbers together. Let's do that separately. Plus 9 plus 2. So when signs are the same, put the same sign. So that becomes plus and add. 9 plus 2 is 11. Now let's take the other two numbers, which is minus 7 and minus 2. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 7 plus 2 is 9. So here we get minus 9x. Now 11 minus 9 is 2, 2x. So that's our answer. Next one. 5ab minus 2ab minus 8ab plus 6ab. Again we have like terms, plus 5 minus 2 minus 8 plus 6ab. So take the numbers with the plus sign first. Plus 5 and plus 6. So let's do that. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So that we know is 11. Now let's work out these two. Minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 minus 8. Signs are the same. Put the same sign and add. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we've got minus 10. So minus 10 AB. So here 11 minus 10 is 1. So the answer is 1AB or simply AB. Question 3. Let's put all these together. As you can see, they are like terms. So minus 8 minus 3 plus 12 plus 13 minus 6. All this is A. So let's group all the plus signs together. So we have plus 12 and plus 13. So let's do that. 12 plus 13. Signs are the same, so we can put the same sign and add. 12 plus 13 is 2 plus 3 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 25. So we've got plus 25, which we can write here. Plus 25. Now let's take all the minus signs. So we have minus 8. Let's write it down. Minus 8. Then we have minus 3. And we have minus 6. Minus 6. So we'll put them all together. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So we've got minus 17. Now plus 25 minus 17, signs are different. So we put the sign of the bigger number, that is plus, and subtract. So let's subtract 25 and 17 minus 15 minus 7 is 8. So here our answer is 8A. Question 4. 19ABC minus 11ABC minus 12ABC plus 14ABC. So they're all like terms. Let's add it up. 19, we'll give it a sign, plus 19 minus 11 minus 12 plus 14 ABC. So again, let's take all the plus signs together. That is plus 19 plus 14. So let's add it up. Plus 19 plus 14 means addition. 19 plus 14 plus 9 plus 4 is 13. Carry 1, 1, 2, 3. 33. So we finished the addition. We've got plus 33. Now let's take the minus signs. We have minus 11 minus 12. Minus 11 minus 12. When signs are the same, put the same sign and add. So let's add 11 and 12. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 plus 1 is 2. So minus 23. So let's write that down. 33 here minus 23. A, B, C. 33 and 23 signs are different, so we put the sign of the bigger number and we subtract. How much is 33 minus 23? It's 10 A, B, C. So our final answer for question 4 is 10 A, B, C. So children, will stop with that for now. In our next video, we'll continue with the other questions. Thank you.